So now it's time to go mow. Let's talk about operating the in-command system here. Straightforward, you've got a key switch to power up the machine, and there's a rocker switch on the other side that will engage. That enables the reel. So now when I squeeze the bale, not only does the traction start, but the reel starts as well. So this has an OPC, operator presence control, built into the bale. If you simply walk up and squeeze the bale, you'll have no motion that occurs. That's the safety device. In order to engage the OPC, you slide the bale to the left, so you can see I'm doing finger pressure here, and then squeeze in, and away you go. You can squeeze in directly. There's a soft start built into the controller, so it's not going to lurch forward. However, do keep in mind that as you squeeze in or release the bale, the machine will slow down accordingly. So it's a good way of feathering your speed when you're in a tight area. The other thing to point out is the speed control paddle. This is the paddle here. There are these two screws here which I've used to set two different speeds. The first speed is my high speed. It's the speed I want to go in my straight line. The second speed is a lower speed. I've picked this to be a manageable speed for making my turn, as well as a speed that's appropriate for doing a cleanup pass. And that's it. So let's give it a go. So now I'm getting close to the end of my pass. I'm going to slow down to that slower speed. Makes for a very nice controlled turnaround off of this steep edge here. Lining back up my previous cutting pass. And now I've accelerated back to my walking speed. Now because I have the FOC function set, it's managing the reel speed. So even though I've changed my walk speed pretty dramatically, the consistency of the cut is there all the way across this pass. Now there's a range obviously in those speeds. Maximum speed is 3.4 miles per hour, and of course there's a minimum that's essentially 0. So you have a wide range of flexibility to set those speeds for what best suits the skill level of the operator. So now let me take one more pass with more like a skilled operator would do, keeping it at full speed and simply making a spin turn. I hope you enjoyed the quietness as much as I did. One thing you'll notice, as I was going across, you could hear little bits of sand left over from previous top dressing. It's something you just don't get with anything but the battery version.